For our customers, the engine selection is really important. I mean, they need to be able to rely on it for performance in the field. Everything that we pick in our berry harvester product line is a perishable crop. So it's fresh, it needs to be picked, it needs to get to a processing facility. So the equipment needs to be running, it needs to have uptime, and reliable engine is a big piece of uptime in the field. We considered a lot of engine manufacturers when we were looking at engines. We were looking for a package that would fit in our space, and a lot of the engine packages, complicated after treatment, they're just too large. With Kohler, the package is simple, it fits in our envelope, and it didn't take a whole lot of re-engineering of the frame, the chassis itself to accommodate this engine, which for us is a big deal because then we can spend more engineering hours on developing new technologies that drive value for the customer. We've got a lot of equipment out there now running this new Kohler engine, and when you turn the key, it fires up, and that's the main requirement for an engine, right? Is turn it on and it works.